Hey guys, welcome back to Prodigy Gym and Fitness, our free coaching app. Today we're going to talk about how to stretch your chest. This is more kind of basic to intermediate stretching. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to stretch. This is one of my favorites, and again, you want to be careful with it. Always pay attention to your shoulder. Again, you're always going to drop your shoulder blades back, and what you're going to want to do is just come down to the comfortable point where you really feel it stretching, and just kind of sit there for a second. Now, always when you come back up, be careful. Be really cognizant of what your chest and your shoulders and the tendon in your bicep are telling you. So you never want to stretch too much. It can actually hurt you. If it feels good, typically it is good. If it feels bad, typically it's not good. So the next one, we're going to come over here. The next one is, you're going to put your arm about a 45-degree angle, just like so. Put it up. Keep a very slight bend in your elbow to protect it, and just kind of lean into it, okay? With stretching, you want to hold for about, I'd say 15, 20 seconds. A little more extreme stretch, you can push a little bit harder, maybe a little bit longer. The other thing you can get as you get progressed is go ahead and lean into it and almost push against yourself. That's more of an active stretch. You're going to do that for about 5 or 10 seconds, and then release for 1 second, and then stretch a little bit further. And you do that in intervals. Push a little bit harder for 5 or 10 seconds, release, and then stretch a little bit further. So those are a couple of stretches for chest. The next one we're going to look at is going to be right over here. So forgive me, I got to move you a little bit, and we're going to readjust. The next one is you're just going to be using your angle right here. So just get a single arm. You're just going to lean forward and stretch into it. Now this is another one that you can do that kind of active stretch where you actually push a little bit, hold for 10 seconds, release, and then let it stretch out a little bit further. I actually like to use both, but I didn't set it up properly to begin with. But just kind of lean into it like so, and that's how you stretch your chest. There's of course multiple other ways, but those are kind of the basic ones to get started with. Thanks again.